Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of ENT is the disorders of oral cavity. We will cover this topic in 5 sections. In the first section, we will talk about the anatomy of the oral cavity, and also we will discuss the lymphatic drainage of the oral cavity, and also some common disorders of oral cavity. Then in the second section, we will talk about the ulcerative lesions of the oral cavity or ulcers of oral cavity, in which mainly the ulcers caused by the viral infections, bacterial infections, and also fungal infections. So all the ulcers of the oral cavity caused by bacteria, fungi, and the viruses. Then in the third section, we will talk about the some skin and blood disorders of the oral cavity, in which mainly these disorders are due to trauma and neoplasm of the oral cavity. So we will discuss the trauma and neoplasm that leads to the disorders of the oral cavity and also some blood disorders. Then in the fourth section, we will talk about the immune disorders and drug allergy that affect the oral cavity, aphthous ulcer, Bassett syndrome, and also some drugs that cause allergy and affect the oral cavity. And besides these, we will talk about some miscellaneous disorders. Then in the fifth section, we will talk about the lesions like ankyloglossia, nicotine stomatitis, and also submucous fibrosis. So all these conditions we will discuss in our today's lecture topic, disorders of the oral cavity. So keep watching sqadia.com to learn about this topic.